Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is another Thursday. We made it. Almost the weekend. Hope everyone is doing good and everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could take a look. Click on the link down below. Check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, all you gotta do, check out now and continue back to shopping. But they'll ship this to you really fast. And see what it is. I'm using a new phone, so I'm trying out the Note 10 Plus. So hopefully it looks pretty good so far with the video. But, oh boy. Here we go. We got a box inside of a box. Alright guys. We are doing it now. Oh yeah. We got it going on. Gotta remove the packaging. Now this would be a nice gift for somebody to give. You don't have to meet them. You just gotta ship it to their house. And you can grab yourself one. Test it out. So here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at NURSAL. You gotta be careful with this phone. Oh, this is a nice foot massager. Look at that. Dang. We got 3 modes for different massage needs. Power button, timer, the strength, LED screen, heat. Ooh, yeah. I just wish I had this in the wintertime. Portable. During your Twitch streams, your Mixer streams, this would be great for gamers to use. There we go. Pretty cool box. Should be easy to tap. I'll go up top with you guys. Ooh, too far. Here we go. First-hand experience. I never used one of these, so definitely excited to show you guys that this is what they have to offer you. We got the power pack. Yeah, buddy. Got the manual. Should be easy, so we might quite need it. Put that to the side. And then, ooh, really nice. Hopefully, grab it out without making a mess. Bam. Alright. That was easy. We got it, guys. Put you guys in the background. Here we go. Alright, guys. This is it right here. Out of the box. Bada boom. Power. Put you guys down. I'm gonna have to put this on the floor. Now show you guys my feet. It is a foot massager. Definitely a good thing to have around the house. Got power, kind of like a PlayStation. And we got the juice right here. Plug it in the back. I'm gonna take this off the desk or the table. And I think it's up to size 12. Men or women's. Kids, I'm not sure yet. You might want to use caution if you wanted your kids to use it, but that age, they should be fine without it. Okay, so we got here. Careful. Power's there. That's what it looks like in the back. Really nice. It's not that heavy, so pretty much anyone could grab it and carry it. We got the LED display right here, timer, mode, strength, heater, and then, let's see, put your feet in there. You can feel the massage balls. Right there, all the way down. I think it might fit my feet though. I can still got some wiggle room. Yeah, I got size 15, so. But gonna put you guys on the table, and then gonna plug this thing in. But like I said, hopefully you guys are safe. Everybody's good for this Thursday, and do some house cleaning, all that good stuff. So, making my time wisely. Just be safe out there. Okay, so you just take this, you plug it in where I showed you guys, and then get that taken care of right now. Alright, alright. Power on and off. I'm gonna plug her in. Front, back, probably this way. Yep, okay. Okay, then now, I'm gonna take the power. We got it. We'll be done in a few minutes, guys. Thank you for watching. But like I said, also see what other goodies they have to available. They got a lot of cool stuff. Alright, alright. Put that down on the ground. And then we're gonna plug her in. And let's see how she starts up. Should be fun. In the sun. Alright, oh, she beeped. Drop you guys down to the ground. Timer set. Mode. Oh, we gotta turn it on first. Here we go. Timer. 25, 35. So 35 minutes. You can do it like twice over for like a full hour if you're doing the relax mode. Mode set, mode set, mode set. Strength. Ooh, I can feel it. Heat. You can see it lighting up down there. Strength. Crank it up to 4. 1, 2, 4. We'll do the heat. I have it up to 2 different mode for heat. Alright, let me take my shoes off. If you're not a foot person, this video might not be for you. But my feet are alright, so don't feel bad. I'm just gonna leave my socks on. Ow. Ow. Give me my foot back. Uh-oh. Huh. Pretty cool. Whoa. Kind of tickles. Okay. There we go. I can feel it. Yeah, it feels like it's tickling your feet with the massage balls. Whoa. And if you guys are like on your feet all day, like register work, like I used to do, this would be perfect. Ooh, ooh. Dang. Okay, eject. Holy moly. Dang. Definitely check this guys out, man. This is really cool, YouTube. Foot massager. I'm liking it. So, get it fast and free shipping. Like I said, the modes. Level 4, so you can turn it down. Maybe we'll try 2. Alright, let me in there. Let me in. Okay, there we go. Slide your feet in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, this is a lot better mode. Finally relaxed. Yeah, this one's not too rough. Like 4 is pretty intense. Maybe after like a workout, like for football players and hockey players, basketball players. This is definitely nice. Relaxing. But check them out, YouTubers. Get one of these NURSAL foot massagers. All you gotta do is click the link down below. You guys be safe. Have a good day. And hopefully see you guys back soon.